So this is the new one bedroom at Boulder Ridge at Wilderness Lodge. And we're just coming in here. So right here at the entrance, we've got a couple of doors here for storage. We've got a laundry basket at the top. Looks really nice. And then coming back around, you've got a mirror with some coat hooks there. You can lay your keys if you have keys, I suppose. Right there. And then coming into the room, really nice. You got a nice piece of art here on the wall on the side. And then as we come in, you've got seating for 4 with the little bench seat and the table. There are some really nice pictures here. You got Lake Elias with Minnie and Mickey. Over on this side, we've got Big Basin National Park. At the top up here, we've got Whispering Canyon. And then over on the other side, you've got Brownstone National Park. Really cool. We've got Donald in this picture here. Looked around for a few hidden Mickeys. Didn't really see any in these pictures, although there may be some. So if you see one when you're watching, comment down below and let me know if I've missed it, but I don't see any as we look around. Okay, so this is really nice. It's sort of a suede feel to it. Feels really nice. Looks really good. Coming around into the kitchen. The kitchen looks great in this remodel. Solid surface countertops, nice sink with a really nice faucet. Over here, I love this. You've got a coffee maker and a Keurig here, which is really great. And they do give you the Joffrey's coffee bags and the Joffrey's Keurig cups also. So we'll take a look around the kitchen. So additionally over here, you've got a toaster. You've got the 4-burner cooktop with oven and microwave, full-size refrigerator. So looks great. Let's see, let's take a look at some of these cabinets up here. So up here, this one's empty. We'll go into this one, empty up there. Here we've got full dishes. It looks like there's 8 wine glasses, more drinking cups, smaller cups. Here you've got bowls and saucers. Let's see, we'll look at this one. Over here we've got plates and serving dishes, coffee cups, 8 coffee cups, which is great. Here, in this side, you've got a pitcher and a grater, a salad bowl, some mixing bowls, serving dishes, measuring cup. And then I don't think there's anything in this last one. No, it's just open for storage there. And you've got these little cubbies here on the side too, which are great. Okay. Down below, we've got silverware here, our cutlery. You've got storage down here, some extra dishwashing liquid, sponge, and the powder for the dishwasher. Some paper towels. A cutting board and pot holders on this side. And then in this drawer, all of your larger utensils with a can opener. Now one thing to note is, there is a wine key. So that's great. So if you bring in your own wine, they do have a wine key. Okay, so that's the kitchen. Looks really good. Just have a dishwasher, and then down below down here, I believe, have your trash. You've got recycle and trash. Okay, let's take a look in the living room. So in the living room, you've got the large television. It's like a 65-inch. Interesting is they don't have the new operating system on the televisions. So this is still the old operating system. And then here you've got 3 drawers. Not very deep drawers, but they still offer some extra storage, and those are soft close drawers. Now oddly, there's only 1 bar stool. Maybe it's just this room. Maybe we got shorted a bar stool. I'm not sure. That seems odd only to have 1 bar stool, but there's just one. There's also a lot of dead space over in this corner. I would expect a chair over there, but yeah, not sure. It seems like an awfully lot of wasted space where there could be a chair. Here you do have the sofa and a nice picture of Mickey and Goofy and Pluto camping. I looked in that one for some hidden Mickeys, also did not see any. And then you do have this nice lamp over on the right hand side and these vases above, and there are hidden Mickeys, although they're not very hidden in those. Here in the pillows, there are some hidden Mickeys on the side. It's kind of nice. So, nice rug, real Pacific Northwest. Now I believe this table does come up, kind of hard to do with one hand, but there we go. This comes up to act as extra eating area, and stored in it you do have your pillows and blankets for the bed. So let's see if we can come down with this. There we go. Okay, and then this is the Murphy bed. Should come down fairly easily. Yep, looks great behind it. And it carryover of the picture on the front with Mickey here. Okay. If I can push that up with one hand, there we go. All right, so let's go on back into the bedroom. This is, again, like I said at the start, this is one bedroom. So here you do have stackable washer and dryer. Of course, all DVC villas, one bedroom and larger, get an in-room washer and dryer. So we have that there. And then as we come across here into the bathroom, you have the water closet here with a nice piece of art that's not themed. And just glancing at it quickly, I don't see any hidden Mickeys in that. But again, if you see them, let me know down in the comments. Okay. So then here we've got the sink mirror. This is one of the sinks, and nice shower. The showers look great, and that you've got the rainfall head and a removable wand. They do have the H2O products locked down, but they give you a bar soap. And then over here on the sink, you do have a bar of soap and lotion there. Okay, so now let's just pass through. We'll go through this door into the second bathroom, or second area of the bathroom. This is where they have the tub. This is not a jetted tub, so it's just a regular tub. It is really deep. Looks great, and they have this really nice artwork here above the tub with Mickey and Minnie. As we come around to this side, you can see you get a much larger vanity with some storage on either side. Tissues, lotion, hand soap, and a few towels there. Makeup mirror also. So then as we go back into this room, which is dark at the moment, this is the walk-in closet, which is great. They do have the Conair handheld steamer, more extra blankets and pillows, a couple of luggage valets, and the safe, which is one of these that stands up. I'm not a big fan of those, but enough to put your tablets in, or passports or whatever you may have. Okay, now let's take a look at the bedroom. All right, so coming into the bedroom, you get a nice bench with a nearly full-length mirror. Coming around, you get a dresser with plenty of drawer space. Another big television. This looks a little bit smaller than the one in the living room. Maybe a 55-inch, although it may be a 65. And then coming over to this side, you get a nice chair. I love the fabric on this chair and this table that looks like a drum. Looks great. The lamp here with a little reading light under the lamp, which is really nice. So turn that on. You can see that looks great. And then the lamp itself has a switch here to turn it on. That's great. I love the curtains. So we look at the curtains here. Let's see. Bobcat Bend National Park, Ranger Station, swimming hole. What do we have here? This is D-Duck Honey Farm, Beezy Bear National Forest, Copper Creek, Lake Elias. That's great. Now coming around, you got a nice wallpaper behind the bed. Really great headboard with reading lights. More storage here underneath the bed. There are 2 plugs there, no USB. King size bed. Now over here on the dresser, you do get 2 plugs, a USB-C and a USB. And then over on this side, you also get 2 plugs, USB-C and USB. And then coming around to this side over there, you had just a cabinet that opened here. You do get drawers, which is great. And you get 2 plugs here, but again, no USB on the bed. Another great photo. I love all this the artwork they have in here. And you get Mickey and Minnie. And then across the river is a bear and her family. So that is the new refurbished 1-bedrooms at the villas at Boulder Ridge at Wilderness Lodge. And these rooms look amazing. I really do like the remodel. I think it looks fantastic. Hope you've enjoyed this review and look for another review soon. Thanks for checking it out.